Experiment C1. Create a maven project with all dependencies required for the application in CI/CD pipeline. Suppose in a project we need to upgrade the drivers from current version to the latest versions. So in this regard, the maven projects will help you to upgrade the versions. Here we will just provide the version numbers and it will automatically download from maven repository. So for this experiment, so we need maven dependency, the IDE, that is Eclipse, and the programming languages Java. So I'm demonstrating this concept with by reading the JSON data using Java. Let me see the syntax of JSON. So this is a very simple JSON format. So it starts with brackets, flower brackets, and end with flower brackets, and it has the value of key and the value pair. So, and it is key and the value are enclosed within the double quotes. Here in this, here the first name is the key value, and the name will be the value. And I've added one more field, that is the last name, that is the key value, and the value will be the BH. Okay, these two are separated by comma. And the extension for JSON format is .json. Okay, and so let me see how to create a maven projects. Go to Eclipse IDE and click on File, New, and Others. And here you have to choose the maven. The type of project is maven. So under that, you have to choose the maven project. Click on maven project. Click on Next. So here you have to choose the group ID and the artifact ID. So so it will take some time to load the group ID and artifact ID. So here you have to choose the artifact ID, archetype ID. That is, you just copy this type and paste it into a filter. It will take some time to load. Okay, the filter. Okay, so now it is filter. So here you have to choose the maven archetypes and click on Next, and provide the group ID and the artifact ID and click on Finish. Okay, so after that the project will be created, maven project. So I've already created one maven project, and maven project indicates that is M and J, that is maven with the Java. So I've already created the project. And next we will see how to add dependencies to this project. Since I'm reading data from JSON, so we need to add JSON dependencies for Java project. Open Chrome. Search maven repository. The first link, that is the official link. So here you have to search for simple JSON. There are so many related to the JSON. It will show. Okay, just click on the first link. Why? Because it has a highest number of usages from Google. So here there are two versions, that is 1.1.1 and another one is 1.1, and I will choose the 1.1.1. Why? Because again the number of usages is more. So it's nothing but it has a stable version. I click on this. So here you can see here there are different types of projects. One is maven, gradle, okay, gradle chart, okay, spt, okay, grape, okay. So I will choose the maven and copy this dependency. So this is the dependency and add it into your project. So in a project, there is a one file called that is pom.xml. Okay, you can add this dependency uh, so in pom.xml page. Okay, coming to the syntax of dependency. So the dependencies are included inside dependencies. Okay, you can add any number of dependencies with the closing and ending tag of dependency. So this is the starting dependency tag and this is the ending dependency, and you can add the dependencies. Okay, so here I have added the dependencies. So this is the simple JSON and the version is 1.1.1. Okay, so after adding and just click on save, and automatically the jar files required for this JSON is loaded automatically. See here. So you can see here the JSON simple 1.1.1 jar version is loaded. Uh, for example, I want to migrate from 1.1 to just 1.1. Okay, and I will save this. Okay, automatically see here. Automatically, the jar files related to the version 1.1 is loaded now. Okay, so in this way, you can migrate to the any versions. No need to download externally. Okay, see here. Now I'm changing to 1.1.1 and just click on save. See here. Now it will take time to reflect. Okay, it will take time to reflect. So this is the concept. You can add any number of dependencies based on your project. So I have written on the simple Java program to read data from JSON. I have already written the JSON. So where to place this JSON file? So first choose the project and create one folder here. Click on new and the folder and provide the name for the folder is JSON. Okay, and click on this. After creating the folder, click on this, right click on this and create new and file, and provide the name for the file. So here I have choose that is student.json. Okay, this is the JSON file. And next thing is I will create one class file. Okay, choose the default package. So under source.text.java. So this is the program to read data from JSON. So for that, uh, we need one JSON parser. So I'm creating an instance of JSON parser. And next thing is I need the file pointer. So that is I'm creating the instance of file reader. And here you have to provide the JSON the path. So the JSON is the folder and this is the file name. See here, this is the JSON and this is the file name. Next thing is I'm creating one object. that is obj, using JSON parser. Okay, and have to pass the file reader as a parameter. And next, this is related to an Java, and next thing is I have to convert this into JSON object. So using the class called JSON object. So I'm typecasting Java to JSON object. And next statement is related to I'm fetching data from the file, the based on the key value. So the key value is the first name, and another key value is last name. Based on this key value, data will be fetched and stored into this variable, that is the first name and the last name. And in next statements, in next two statements, I'm printing the value. Okay, save the content and run the file. Read data from JSON. Okay. See here, the output will be the first name, and it is showing the value, that is Anil, and the BH. Okay, I will just change it to 1, and I will save the content. Okay, you can see here, now it is reading data from JSON. So compared to the other databases, JSON syntax is very simple, and it is very lightweight. Uh, Okay, this program will demonstrate to create maven projects, and you have to add dependencies. So whatever tools is required for your project, you can add it into as a dependencies. Thank you.